Hello everybody, welcome back to my day-to-day activity. Today I have probability questions and it's also Jamb 2023. And the question goes like, a bag contains 8 red balls and some white balls. If the probability of drawing a white ball is half the probability of drawing a red ball, then find the number of white balls. Option A is 3, B is 4, C is 6, and D is 16. But we don't know the correct option. What we should do is to first of all find the total number of balls in the bag. So since we don't have the white ball, then we can say let the white, let the let the number, let the number of white balls be X. Now we can have the total balls. Total balls in the bag. Total balls in the bag will be equals to the 8 red balls plus the X white balls. These are the total number of balls. Now let's find the probability of white. Probability of white, probability of drawing white ball. White ball is the number of white is x, all over the total number, which is 8 plus x. This is the probability of drawing white ball. Then next is probability of drawing red ball. Red ball will be the same thing as the total number of red ball is 8 all over the total number of balls is just 8 plus x. But there is a last statement that says if the probability of drawing white ball is half that of the red ball, then you should find the number of balls. That means that of white ball is x all over 8 plus x equals to 1 over 2. That is half of the red balls, which is 8 all over 8 plus x. This is it. So 2 automatically cancelled. We have 4 here. Then we now cross multiply. After cross multiply, we have 4 times 8 plus x. We're going to have 4 bracket 8 plus x, equals to. Then x times this, we're going to have, x bracket, 8 plus x. We now expand this bracket. 8 times 4 is 32. 32 plus 4 times x is 4x, equals to x times 8 is 8x, plus x times x is x squared. Now you have to subtract this and make it to be a standard quadratic equation. So we have this, check this, we have minus x squared, then plus 4x, 8x go there became minus 8x, then plus 32, that is plus 32 is already there, then equals 0. Now what we're gonna have is, minus x squared, 4x minus 8x is minus 4x, then plus 32 equal to 0. To solve this clearly, we must clear this minus. That means we must multiply it over minus 1. That means we have minus 1 times minus x is this, what I think is x squared. Then minus 1 times minus 4x is plus 4x. Minus 1 times plus 32 is minus 32 equal to 0. Now this is a standard quadratic equation which after solving you'll be able to know which number of balls we have here. Now let me because I don't have much space. What I have is now this. Let me cancel out some things here so that we can have the answer together. Now what you should do is to cancel out this. Let's cancel out this so we can consider what's down. Now what I have lastly is this, that is x squared plus 4x minus 32. Let's see how we can factorize this. How do you do it? We have to say, okay, x squared times minus 32, which we have minus 32x squared. Now we have two legs, 2 factors of minus 32. When we multiply, we get minus 32. When we add them together, we get plus 4. The factors is minus 4x plus 8x. So that when you see minus times plus is minus, 4 times 8 is 32, x times 6 is x squared. So also 8x minus 4x, the answer is 4x. So these are the factors. What you should do is to come here and see, okay, x squared, then take this, we have minus 4x, take this, which is plus 8x, then take your minus 32. So minus 32 is here, then equal to 0. You factor out what's common here because we have this, we divide it into 2. What's common here is just x, open bracket, we have x minus 4, then plus what's common here is 8, then bracket x minus 4, then equals to 0. Now the two bracket look common, then we factor out one of the bracket, that is x minus 4. Remember, then we have open bracket, we have x plus 8, now equals to 0. As this is equal to 0, we have what to do. That means we have x minus 4 equal to 0, then x equals to 4, or, x plus 8 equal to 0, then x equals to minus 8. Now, automatically, we are to consider the positive number. Positive number is 4. Therefore, x equals to 4. That means we have only 4 balls inside the bag, not minus 8 balls. So the correct option is option